So this defines a new class named age-invalid-exception that extends the built-in exception class. So this means that age-invalid-exception, so this is a constructor for the age-invalid-exception class. So it takes a string parameter called message. This calls the constructor of the superclass exception with a provided message. In this message, we can retrieve later when the exception is caught, providing context about the error. These lines define a public class named exception example. This is the main class that contains the methods and the main method, which is the method to check age, and public static void check age. This method is named checkAge and takes an integer parameter age. It declares that it can throw an age-invalid exception, which is a checked exception. If the provided age is less than 0 or greater than 20, then the age is invalid. This line shows a new instance of age-invalid exception with a new message indicating the error. If the age is valid, so it prints a message indicating that the age is valid. So in this method is named divide and takes two integer parameters, numerator and denominator. So it performs the division of numerator by denominator. If denominator is 0, this will throw an arithmetic exception. So it prints the result of the division, and this main method, which is the entry point of Java application, this block attempts to call the check age with the invalid age. Since this will throw an age invalid exception, the control will move to the catch block. So this block catches the age invalid exception through the check age method. It prints the message of the caught exception indicating that invalid age was provided. Then the block attempts to call the divide method with a denominator of 0, which will throw the arithmetic exception. So it catches the arithmetic exception by throwing by the divide method.